National Park in Flores Island, and we're gonna do the Wildside Trail. This should be awesome. Come on, let's go. This is where I'm gonna put mine. Everybody in the town of Ahousaht has been super nice. People honk and wave at you, and a lady picked us up and gave us a ride down to the trailhead, so that was awesome. And yeah, wow, everybody is just so friendly here. So there's a trail inland access right here, but the tide is out pretty far, so we're just gonna go around and then we'll come out to the next bunch of buoys to bring us inland. We're gonna go inland now. This is a really beautiful forest. There's a ton of roots on the ground. You have to be careful. Coming onto some, looks like pretty new boardwalk. This first part of the trail is really well taken care of. There's brand new boardwalk. There's no trees or anything in your way. It's really in great shape. We're just coming out onto the beach again. Wow. This beach is just beautiful. There's a campsite right here, maybe about a half kilometer in. Maybe it's if you miss the boat or something and you have to stay overnight. But it's on a beautiful beach, this campground. There is some sand dunes at this campsite. I don't know. I think I'd stay here if I had more time. So we're just coming in off the beach. We're gonna go inland. Check out this big ass root right here. These are all over the beach here. The Wildside Trail is 11 kilometers. We're gonna do it in one night. But you can do it in as many as you want. It's 11 in and 11 out, so 22 kilometers. So we're just done this inland section, and now we're gonna go back out onto the beach again. These beaches are just so beautiful. beach is called White Sand Cove. And it is a perfect name for it because the sand is so white here. These are some of the prettiest beaches that I have walked on in a long time. I mean, it's just so scenic. There's all these little islands out on the ocean. Sand is hard packed, so easy to walk on. Makes it a quick and easy day if you want it to be. At about 3/4 in on White Sand Beach, you gotta go inland. You can see the buoys right ahead of us. Here's the buoy to come inland. Some more nice new boardwalk in here. This inland section is fairly manageable, but there is quite a few routes. We're making really great time. That's Pet Cruise Point over there. We're not going to go around it. We're going to go inland. This section is the Trail of Tears, but we don't have time to do that today. That's a pretty cool name. Let's get going. This trail is so well taken care of. Even if there's the smallest amount of mud, there's a little piece of wood placed on top of it. Every beach just gets better and better. We can't find the buoy to go that way, so we're just going to cut in through this trail over here. We're at the low tide crossing, and yesterday there was no water here at all. And today it is like a river. It is so deep here. Over there is where you cross. You want to cross to get into the forest instead of staying on this side. We didn't know that yesterday, so we went inland. I wish that we would have known, because we could have just took our shoes off and walked over there and missed so much of the inland. But yeah, so that's where you cross, right there. This is the emergency shelter on the Wildside Trail. Just gonna go inside. Oh wow. Oh, it's nice and clean, eh? Oh, this is pretty cool. Wow. Huh. So if it's pouring rain or something, you can come in here and sleep. Wow, look at this culturally modified tree. It is massive. This part is a little rough in here. We just got out of that inland section. It was pretty technical and muggy. Took about 30 minutes from the low tide section. Whew, I'm glad to be out on the beaches again. I know I've said it too many times already, but wow, these beaches are beautiful. I mean, this one is just like beach as far as the eye can see. If you like beach walking, this is the hike for you. And I love beach walking. If I didn't have to go inland, I wouldn't. We are just approaching our last inland section of the day. We're just coming up to the Sitka crossing. We're just arriving at Cow Bay. There's a couple dogs here. It's the morning of day 2. We're at Cow Bay. It's a super beautiful beach here. Here's our tent and our chairs. We had our coffee. I'll just do a quick little recap of yesterday. A really nice lady from the town dropped us off at the trailhead, and the beaches here are amazing. You spend about 90% of the time out on the beaches. Maybe 10-15 minutes each time you go inland, except for one section where it was the low tide. We went in because we couldn't find the buoys. That was a little treacherous. There was no mud or anything, but there's a lot of up and down and scrambling. So hopefully today we can find the buoys and go through the other section. Look at how totally beautiful Cow Bay is. There's a couple people here with their kayaks that are going to spend the night. It was a fairly easy hike. It's about 11 kilometers in and then 11 back out. We started at about 5 in the evening. We were actually supposed to start today, but we got a spot. We got a parking spot in Tofino, and we thought, why not? So we started at 5. We got here at about 7:30. So we ripped through it pretty quick. It was fairly easy. Like, the sand is hard and packed, and we just zoomed through it. So, and we didn't want to get here too late. There's maybe about 6 tents here. A lot of people were talking about that there's dogs here. We didn't see any dogs the entire trail until we got here to Cow Bay. There's 3 dogs here. They barked at us, and then after that they were everybody's friends, so they haven't really bugged us or anything. But yeah, it's been an amazing hike. If you want, you can do it in 2 nights, 3 nights, whatever you want. We're just gonna do it in 1, so we're gonna go back out, do the 11 kilometers back out today. Wow, look at the sand. It's so white and beautiful. I just can't get over it. They have outhouses and bear caches here, and yeah, so you don't have to hang your food. Don't worry, the bear cache is huge. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Anyway, so we're gonna just bring you for a little walk on the Cow Bay here, show you how beautiful it is. It's a little foggy out this morning. Hopefully it burns off. We get a nice blue sky for today. These red rocks look so interesting. We're all packed up and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video and you come visit the Wildside Trail. I got my apple. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and have a great day. Bye!